We want your poop. No, we need your poop. Let me explain. I'm with humanmicrobes.org, and your poop could change someone's life. Recent research has shown that the microbiome, the microbes that live in our gut and help us to digest food, also play a major role in our overall health. And modifying and restoring our gut microbiome has become a major investigative avenue for treating numerous illnesses. Half of the mass of our stool is microbes. A procedure called fecal microbiota transplant, or FMT for short, involves transferring these microbes from a healthy donor to a sick person. Through this process, FMTs offer a potential new treatment option for a long list of conditions, many of which may surprise you, including irritable bowel syndrome, obesity, and even mental disorders. Jane Dudley surprised doctors when she successfully cured her bipolar disorder after receiving an FMT.
My name's Alex, I'm an ecologist.
My name's Jane, and I'm not any kind of ologist because I have bipolar disorder and have had it for the last 20 years of my life.
The first time she got manic, I had no idea what was going on. That was really traumatic. You know, to have the person that you love with absolutely no control of what was going to happen to her.
I'm holding a poo enema, and the next stage we will not film on national television. This goes in the bum.
Since the FMT treatment, I've seen huge changes in Jane that have been absolutely positive.
We've done it like 6 times, and practically all of my bipolar symptoms have gone, except for one, and that's insomnia. I haven't conquered that yet.
Truly an amazing story. But here's the problem. There's a severe lack of high-quality donors right now.
Because only a few people know about this huge opportunity. These very few people have been benefiting from this new medical development and making massive income from their stools since over 2 years ago. You too can take hold of this opportunity and start benefiting from stool transplant by becoming a stool donor. If this is your first time on this channel, or if you've been here before but are not yet subscribed, I invite you to click that subscribe button now to join our tribe. Our aim is to make our tribe members, that is our subscribers, financial giants. Help us reach the subscribers milestones with your subscriptions. We'll greatly appreciate that. Welcome on board. Let's go into the step-by-step process of how you can start making at least $500 each time you stool. The first step in the process is to sign up to be a stool donor. The link to sign up is in the description of this video, so when you're done watching, you can use the link to sign up. After signing up, you'll be required to complete verification of your stool type and physical fitness. This is to ascertain if your stool is healthy enough for transplant. Then there'll be a video interview, stool, and blood test. Note that the entire process to sign up to be a donor is a one-time process, done virtually at the initial stage, and it's completely free. You won't be paying for the verifications and tests, you're not required to travel for any of the processes, and it's done once at the initial sign-up stage. If you pass the screening and verification process, you get enlisted as a stool donor and get paid $500 minimum per stool you donate. If you have a bowel movement every day, you can make a minimum total of $180,000 per year. This is huge. What is the general process of donating your stool? 1. You collect your stool directly in a Ziploc bag. 2. You ship on dry ice, or optionally, store multiple samples in the freezer to ship together. And if you have bowel movements when not at home, a simple collection kit can be used. These are 1 insulated lunch bag, 1 frozen ice pack, and 1 Ziploc freezer bag. Take note, you're not paying for any of these kits. The Ziploc bag, the ice pack, the insulated lunch bag, and the shipment are fully paid for up front by the stool recipient through Human Microbes. This is a daily moneymaker that you are literally flushing down the toilet. Use the link in the description of this video to take the stool donor questionnaire and begin the process of making money from your stool. Thanks for watching.